Good day, guys. Mark here again, and welcome back to my channel. If you love cars, DIYs, basically anything related to cars, you might want to consider subscribing and check out my playlist. Are you having troubles opening up your trunk on your Hyundai Eon, or maybe the cable snapped, or basically you just don't know what happened? Even if you use your main key to open up the trunk, it doesn't snap or it doesn't open. Today I'm going to show you on how to manually open your trunk door. I'm pretty sure that most of us guys doesn't know that our Eon has this feature. This is actually aside from a hack. This is a safety feature for your car, for your children, for yourself, etc. Just in case your child got accidentally locked on the trunk or locked inside the car. This is one way of your child or yourself to be able to escape through the trunk. Okay, for this video, guys, you don't need anything, just yourself and basically awareness. This would be much easier if you don't have a huge box of speakers at the back of your trunk. But anyways, I'm gonna teach you on how to do it. Okay. I'm actually on the back seat. I'm not sure if I'll be able to access it, guys, but I'm gonna show you how to do it. First thing that you want to do is fold the chair. Okay, fold this one for easier access. So imagine that we don't have a box at the back. So let me do my best. I'm not sure if I'll be able to access it on this side because of the box. All right, I'm able to see it. I'm gonna show you. All right, so do you see the lever right there? All you need to do is just pull that out, and you should be able to open the trunk door manually. I'm not sure if I'll be able to reach it because of the box. I'm gonna try, okay? All right, so I'll try to reach it out, guys. I can't really see it. Let's see, yeah. There you go. You hear the popping sound, and check it out, guys. Haha, it's open. All right, let's close it again. There you go. You see how easy it is? This would be a good idea for you guys, especially with the one with children. You guys might want to teach this method to your kid, just in case that they'll lock out themselves, or knock on wood, somebody kidnapped them using a Hyundai Eon. They should be able to escape using that method. Okay. All right. So I'm at the back of the car. As you can see, it's really hard to do it, but if you don't have a huge sound system at the back, it's way easier. But at least you guys have an idea on how to do it. I hope you find this video useful. If you do, please give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that subscribe button. And I would really appreciate it if you guys can share any of my video on your timeline, or any groups that you guys belong to. Again, this is Mark. thank you so much for the support, the 1,400 people that keeps on supporting me. Thank you so much, guys. I really, really, really appreciate you guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, and see you on the next video.